Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do break dance. We will cover the fundamental elements that make up this dynamic dance style. Before you begin, always ensure you warm up your body for at least 10 to 15 minutes to prevent any injuries. Find a spacious area with a smooth, non-slip surface, like a dance floor or linoleum, to practice your moves safely and effectively. This preparation is key to a successful and enjoyable breaking journey. Next, let's dive into top rock and footwork. Top rock is your standing dance, like the Indian step, which helps you find your rhythm before going to the floor. Then, master the six step, a foundational footwork move where your legs create a circular pattern. Remember to stay on your toes and fingertips, not your flat palms, to move quickly and smoothly. This technique is crucial for fluid transitions and faster execution. Now, let's explore freezes and power moves. Freezes are static poses, like the baby freeze or chair freeze, where you hold your body in a balanced position for several seconds. Power moves, on the other hand, are dynamic and acrobatic, requiring significant core strength and body control. Start with basic freezes to build your foundation, then slowly progress to more challenging power moves as your strength and technique develop over time. Finally, consistent practice is paramount for progression. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of dedicated practice each day. Don't be afraid to experiment and develop your own unique style. Breaking is all about personal expression. Focus on smoothly connecting your moves to create fluid combinations and routines. Remember, breakdancing takes time and dedication, but with consistent effort, you will see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.